In Premiere Pro, you can export multiple clips as individual video clips. So I have already done a lot of splits and cuts. And if I want to export every clip individually. So how can I do that? First of all, you need to split all these video clips individually as I did, and then you need to nest them. So for that, you need to go to Edit, and here, if you don't know about the nesting, shortcut, you go to Keyboard Preferences, and here you type nest, and here I have selected Alt-C for nest, and then you can select any key you like. So after that, I will stay on my first clip and press Alt-C, and it will ask me to the sequence. Remember that this is the sequence, this is the name of the file you're gonna create. For example, this is fire and I rename it as fire, then it would be the name of my file, whatever I export. And then I go to next one and this one, and then is waterfall. I press Ctrl-C to nest again, and I rename it waterfall. You have to go to all the individual clips and nest them and then rename them. If you don't want to rename them, then you don't rename them. That's okay. It's up to you, but you have to go through every individual clip up to the end. I'm doing it quickly. Alright, so I'm done with the nesting, and now we need to come to this area and you will see all these files here. Select all of them, then right click on any of them and export media. There is an error. Alright, so we can fix it as well. If you see this error as well, just download this Adobe Media Encoder. I already downloaded, so let's fix it. After downloading, it will look like this one. Extract this file here and then install these encoders. Once you're all set, go to this one, setup exe, and it will install all your encoders. Alright, once you are all set after installation, open this Adobe Media Encoder. The interface will look like this one, and here you need to go to the source file. I have saved my Adobe file here. If I open this file, I have saved it in my hard drive, so I can go to this encoder and now go to file, add a source. Here is my test file, right? So I can double click on this one and it will import all of my nested files. If you have doubts that where are your nested files, you can still search those nested files and import them here. That's it. It's gonna import all of your files. Once they are imported, be patient. Just go to this play button. Once play, just go grab a cup of coffee and talk to your friends and come back. Everything would be nested. If you click on this source, then it will show you all of the information and you can change as well. Here I'm saving this location and encoding and format, and every preset it asks you. And if you want to export only audio or video, it's here. So you can deal with these settings. Now you see that all the files I have exported are here, and this is 5 minutes. This one is 15 sec, and all the videos are with their names as fire, farm, morning, crow, whatsoever I nested and renamed them. They are with their original names. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.